Here we go again. It's August 28th. I don't know if you can see that on my watch right there. But car's not starting again. Pumping the brake, holding the button multiple times. I've changed the settings here. I've changed my vehicle options to turn off the seat, easy seat access to off, and I'm still not starting. This is several times that this happened. I'm with my son over there, and we are stuck at Home Depot. Hopefully it starts soon.